On today's video, we're going to show you guys how to change out a blinker light on a square body GM truck. Okay, the blinkers are blinking real fast. That means one of your lights are out. This could be in the back. Check out the back. 1998 GMC Sierra. Right here, there's two Phillips screws. There's one right here and one right there. So all you gotta do is remove those. Little hinges right there. Go ahead and take them off. Pop them in like that. So these two little hinges right there and right there go right in there. It's very simple. Okay, let's go ahead and pull this out. Just like that. You pinch it in there like that. Pull it out. See how we do that? Now we have to get in there. Okay, then you have 2/4 inch nut. 2/4 inch screws right there. One there and one there. Just go ahead and remove those. Okay, then just pop it out like that. And here's your lights right here. Now we got to find out which one's the blinker. So let's go ahead and change out the blinker light. We got this Sylvania number 3057. Okay, let's go ahead and change it out. The blinker's in the middle. Let's go ahead and change it out with the brand new bulb. Okay, now we just do everything in reverse. It's a good idea to change all your light bulbs out, but we're just gonna go ahead and change the brake lights since that's the only one that's out. Put everything back just in reverse the way you took it out. 1/4 inch nut screws. That's the red one. Plug it in. Same way we took it off, guys. The hinges go right in there. Push it in. Fill up the screws back. Go. Okay, let's go ahead and test it out, guys. Okay, hit the brakes. Hit the reverse lights. Okay, now hit the blinker. Here we go there. See how that's how it's supposed to be blinking. So we went ahead and got them done. Check out the front. There we go, guys. Got your blinkers fixed. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.